Hi y'all. Hi y'all, it's Nick here. I'm here with an unboxing. Actually, as you can see, it's an envelope. I already cut it open. I got this a few days ago. It is from PNC, which stands for Pretty Neat Creative. It is called Summer Birdhouse, and it's a cushion cover, or a pillowcase is what I like to call it. Seen it, had to have it because it had a cardinal on it. So it's called Summer Birdhouse cushion cover. I ordered it May 25th. On June 26th, I've actually received an email that Customs sent it back to Pretty Neat Creative, and they asked me if I would like to have a refund or have them to reship it, and I really wanted it, so I said go ahead and reship it. So they did, and I received it on July 13th. I paid, it was originally $53.88 with free shipping, and I actually had an email with, back then they were doing a promotion for the heroes, the essential workers, the doctors, nurses and such, and so the code was Hero30, so I saved $16.66, and it cost me a total of $37.72. So let's see, as we can see, it measures about 17.5 by, and this will also flatten out as well with time, so I'm not worried about that, and I won't get to this one right away. It'll be my next one I'll do, and this is about little over 17. The glue area, oh, let's see, let's see how this works. It looks like it's actually okay. It looks like it's stuck on the seam, which I can work that out. That's no big deal. It is poured glue, so that's going to make it a little bit stickier and not have to worry too much whether you have to seal it or not to seal it. I will make that decision after I complete it, because they are for decoration, so it's not something that I would put on a bed for a child or for a child to play with, because of obviously the little drills that can come off, and don't want the little kids to swallow them. My plan is actually to put it up on my headboard of my bed for just decoration purposes, because of the cardinal mainly. Favorite bird. And then on the back is a real soft, and it's got a pretty pattern in it, so it's not just a plain like canvas white color. And it has a zipper to where you could put your cushion into, pillow, or you could put the polyfill in as well. I haven't decided whether I will just go and grab a pillow, or I do have tons of polyfill, since I do make my own pillows, or have made my own pillows in the past. This also does have AB drills, which are the white ones, and they are the round ones. And pretty orange ones. Pretty excited to work on this one, so as soon as I'm done, the one that I'm almost done with, I will start this one right away. And then it does come with a checklist, which is still good. so you can still inventory, make sure that you have everything right away. If not, then you can contact the company as well. So that's nice to know. So again, I got this from Pretty Neat Creative, or PNC. I also do belong to their Facebook group as well, which sometimes they will run that they give codes in there for so much off. They also they do have another one just posted last night. I can't think of off the top of my head, but I do believe it's don't want to say a game, but something that you can get extra percentage off of your orders. So it's worth checking out. I will put the PNC group or Facebook group in the description, as well as also with the PNC link as well for this. So until next time, take care, be safe, stay healthy, take care of each other, be nice, do nice things. Little things go a long way. And then as soon as I am done with this, I will post a review. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.